Hi guys, welcome to HowTo with yet another video. In this video, I'll show you how to live stream to Facebook game room or your Facebook page. Okay, if you are a gamer, you may want to stream your gaming to Facebook game room or your Facebook page or Facebook profile. So in this video, I'll show you how to do that. To live stream to Facebook, you need a few things. One is open broadcasting software. There are several other software as well, but most of them premium software with you will have to shell out some money for that. So in this case, open broadcasting software is free and it's also cool, nice features. So I think open broadcasting software is more than enough to do that. You don't need to spend a lot of money to stream your gaming video to Facebook. Okay, so it has enough features that you want. It's an open broadcasting studio. It's the latest version of open broadcasting software. So then go to your Facebook page or Facebook profile, wherever. So here I'm going to my Facebook page. Then go to publishing tools, then switch to videos. Then you will see this live button here. Just click that and you will get a server URL and stream key. This is what we use on this software to stream our gaming to your page. This is a unique key that's offered to your page alone. So if you share this key with someone else, so they can also stream their video to your page, so if you want, but otherwise don't share it with anyone else. Okay, then once you have it, just copy this key. You don't want this server URL, just copy this key, then go to open broadcasting software, then go to settings, or you can create a new profile if you want, then save it so you can easily access that one. So I have already created one, Facebook test stream. Then go to settings, then go to stream, and this is where you choose that. Then choose custom stream if you have both server URL and the server key, but here the software already has the server URL, so just use stream service. Then go to Facebook Live, choose Facebook Live, then default server, then paste the key here, then click apply. That's it. So now you are ready to stream, but based on your upload speed, you may want to adjust the settings of this software. Then only you can have a very smooth streaming experience. Suppose you have 3 Mbps upload speed, then you shouldn't go up to 4000 bitrate. So in that case, your viewers will have a laggy experience. So make sure that you just go below, you just set your bitrate below your upload speed. Like suppose you have 3 Mbps speed, then never go up to 3000 bitrate, just go up to 2800. So you will have very pretty smooth experience. Even 2500 will be much better, and 720p pixel, not 1080p. It's not going to be a smooth experience if you are streaming 1080p video on 3 Mbps upload speed. Okay, so so you set those things here in this output. Just go there, then click this advanced. So you have advanced features here you can set, and always choose 264 instead of QuickSync or any other. And if you have discrete graphics card, you can also choose its encoder instead of CPU. But CPU is better if you have decent CPU like Core i5 with a multi-core processor. So then choose enforce streaming service and go to settings, and you can also rescale the output. Suppose your base resolution may be 920 and 1080. That can be used to your recordings that you saved on your computer at the same time while you stream to Facebook. Yeah, right. So in this case, you can set the base URL like that, and you can scale that to 720p. So this software stream to Facebook at 720 pixels instead of 1080 pixels. You can set here as a default, or you can just leave it here and go to your output and you can set it here. Suppose 1080 into 720. Okay, so there are a couple of options here. You can choose that what's better for you. So in this case, 720 pixel, so 1280 720. Okay, then always choose CBR. Then this is where you set your bitrate. Suppose, as I told you, if you have 1 Mbps speed, never go up to 2500 or something like that. Just stay between, if you are streaming to Facebook, especially Facebook doesn't feature DVR, so users, I mean your viewers, actually can't seek back the playhead, so that they can actually watch smoothly without having trouble, without having that buffering experience. So you should always make sure that you never go beyond your upload speed. Okay, suppose you have 1 Mbps speed, then set it to 800 or 850 like this. Okay, but that wouldn't be a very good experience for viewers, especially that video may not be of a very good quality. So it's better to have up to 3 Mbps upload speed. Then you can stream a video of 2500 bitrate. So here 2500 like that. Next, this is where you set your keyframe interval. Keyframe is also a thing that you need to take care of, because the more keyframe your video has, better quality it will be. But if you have slower internet connection, so set it like 5 second or 10 second, so depending on your internet speed. Then next is CPU usage preset, higher equal to less CPU, like that. If you want faster rendering experience, just click very fast, but video will not be of high quality. So if you want high quality video, just go like medium or even fast if you have a decent CPU like Core i5. Okay, especially 6th or 7th generation processor, even 5th generation processor, you could go up to fast or or medium. That should be a decent video. Then go to profile, always choose 9. So if you use high profile, make sure that you have a decent uploading speed, so otherwise people will have very laggy experience. You don't need to choose this, just leave it. And here you can, if you want, you can just type in open CL equals true. It will help the encoder speed up the encoding. Okay, so that's why you use it, but it's not important. You can just leave it blank. You don't need to set it. And click apply. Then go to video. This is where you just set the default video resolution and frames, etc. So the base resolution is 1080p. Just leave it like that. Here you may want you may want to change it, but it's already changed. But if you want to make sure you can change it, you can always set it to 720p. So you don't want to set it here. So then choose the downscale filter. The default is 16 samples, so sharpen the scales, or choose 32 samples. Okay, then go to the common FPS value, that's 30. So if you want to go up to 60, make sure that you have a decent and faster internet connection, especially when it comes to uploading. Okay, so it's all about uploading, so you should have a decent upload speed. So it's always better to keep 30 frame per second if you have below 3 Mbps upload speed. Okay, then this is where you set some hotkeys, but I just leave it blank. I don't use them. While using keyboard, you may accidentally by mistake you click something, then you won't even know that the software is not streaming your gaming video or nothing, maybe streaming something else. I guess some other scene. You may without your knowledge, it may automatically switch the scene. Okay, I'll show you how to set scenes on the software. Then this is where you set some advanced options. You can just set process priority like above normal, normal, or high. It depends on your needs. So I just use above normal, so I have a decent experience. Then there are also two things here. Direct 3D 11, that's of DirectX, that's from Microsoft. Then this is OpenGL. These are two rendering options. So I use OpenGL. I have so when I used OpenGL, I have much faster experience on a slower internet connection, so I use OpenGL. But if you have faster internet connection, just go for direct 3D and you will have a very smoother graphic and very decent graphic experience as well. So but I go with OpenGL, it's up to you. Just all this leave it default. Then you can also set a stream delay if you want, so like 20-second, 10-second, like that. So I always keep about 10 seconds. Then automatically reconnect, you can also set reconnecting delay, so retry delay is like 10 seconds. You always set it to 5 seconds. You don't need to do anything here, just click apply and click OK. That's it. We have set almost everything. If you want to record video to your system while you are streaming, you can set those things here. You can choose standard or okay, just go for standard, and you can also choose a recording path. If you want to change the default one, you can set one. Then here you choose the format FLV. FLV will be a smaller format, a smaller file, but at the same time you can use it to edit on your video editing software. But if you use MP4, there is a warning like this: recording saved to MP4 will be unrecoverable if the file cannot be finalized. So in this case there is a warning, so keep it in mind. Then here you choose your encoder, here as well 264, but if you have any discrete graphics card, and you can use any of that its encoder, like here you can see that QuickSync, that's of Intel's integrated graphics card. So here you can choose 264. So here, then rescale, if you want to rescale the output, you can set that to here. Then choose the write control. Here also I go with CBR and set the bit rate. In this case you may want to set a bit higher, but make sure that you have a decent CPU and a discrete graphics card if you go beyond 5000 or 10,000 bit rate. Okay, so then here you can set as as on streaming, you can just set keyframe interval here as well. Make sure that you don't set keyframe more often, like just set it to 5 or 10 seconds. Then CPU usage presets, the very fast is the default one, just go with medium or fast. So you will get a very pretty neat, a decent video quality. Then you can set profile to main. Then as I told you can just type in open equal to CL if you want, sorry, open CL equals to help your CPU with rendering. Okay, so this makes rendering faster, so just you can set it that too if you want, and click apply, then click OK. You almost set. Then after that you can go to your software. Just go to software, set what you wanted to stream. So these are the scenes and this is the source, so you need to set both. So you can have both, scene and a source in the same name, so you need to set it different. So here I have set a game over stream, then I'm going to delete it and I'll show you how to set it. Remove. Yes, so I want to stream my gaming to Facebook. What I'm going to do is just click this plus button, then choose game capture. There are some options here: image, game, display capture. If you want to capture your whole display, you can choose that as well. But if you just want to stream a game, game window, you can just choose the game capture. This is the right option to choose. Then name that game capture, then click OK. Then you have the settings option. This is where you set which of the game you want to stream. So here choose capture specific window instead of capture any full screen application, because if you set this, it will capture all full screen applications. In that case, that's not the ideal one. So go for capture specific window if you just want to stream a specific window, okay? Otherwise just go for capture any full screen. So capture specific window, then go for windows, and here you can see all the windows that's open now, okay? Then here you can see a game if you have one. Yes, space racing, this is a game that's on now, you can see that here. So and it will load it on the software once it's set, okay? You can also set it name, executable name, just leave it, multi-adapter or compatibility, and you can also rescale the resolution here if you want. So force rescaling, and you can set that rescaling here as well if you want. If you want to go even lower, you can just set that here as well, just 640 60 pixel. And capture if you want to capture cursor, just check it. Okay, I don't capture cursor, so that's it. Then click set, and you should see in this software. So if you want to set a scene, first you need to set a scene and give it a name you want. Here I have given game over streaming like that. Then that's it. Then choose a source for that. It could be a gaming or it could be an image. Suppose if you want to if you want a scene that streams an image, so what you needed to do is just choose this one, give it a name, then go to source, then here you can choose the image and give it a name, just click save. You'll have this media source option, then browse to the image that you want to add to this stream, okay? Then set other settings here, okay? Like restart playback. You know, if you want to add an intro like this one, just choose that one here, then set some of its other feature like restart playback like that. Sometimes you while switching the scenes, you may want to restart its playback again, so the streamer streams rightly, otherwise it will be a blank one, okay? So if you want to loop, you can do that as well. Just click that, set all those things, then click OK, and you have it like this. Then you want to set audio as well. You can actually set your audio, desktop audio here. Go to audio, and this is where you set your audio settings. So always choose stereo, and you can also choose the sample right here, 48 or 44.1. Just it depends on your your internet speed. Then go to desktop audio device that you want to choose. So you can just disable it. If you disable it, what happens is that it's blank. So to want this software to capture your computer audio, just go to settings again and go to audio, then set your default device, like your device. Now here I choose speakers, Realtek high definition audio. So then click apply, then click OK, and here you can see that sometimes you may not want a default audio like this. You just want to stream audio when your scene is on, like your gaming scene is on. In that case, you may want to add audio here instead of in the settings. Go to settings, just go to audio and disable this one. Then go to your scene, choose the scene, and just click this button, and here you will have an audio option, audio capture output, audio output capture, and choose that one and choose the speaker. Click OK, and here you can see that. And if you want to mute, just click this and it will mute the sound, so the software will not stream the sound anymore, okay? Then if you just want to delete that, just right click on that and click remove. Yes, so that's it. Sorry, I deleted the main scene, alright? Okay. You can actually lock the preview here if you want, and you can also set it to output like this, and you can also set it to canvas, the base one. You won't see the full area of your gaming window, so it's always good to set it to scale to window, so you'll have this experience. If you don't see the screen fit to that window, just click on this screen here and you can adjust the screen size here. Okay, then once you set it, then lock preview, locked, so it won't adjust automatically. That's it. So once you're set, you can just click start streaming, and if you want to automatically record while you are streaming, you can set some options here. Here you have some options like on the general panel, you can see automatically record when streaming. Choose that, so when you stream, the software will automatically record a video to your PC. If you have a PC powerful enough to do this both at the same time, you can choose this. Okay, otherwise just leave it unchecked. Okay, then click apply. So if you want a confirmation window each time you are about to stream, you can choose this, so it will ask you if you want to start streaming or not, then click OK. So I just leave it blank, click apply, click OK. So if you want to start streaming, just click start streaming, then it will start streaming. Okay, then click next here, and you should see some more options, and if it's getting the data, and it will show the feature here. Okay, it's now showing offline, but it hasn't started yet, I think. Could not access a specified channel or stream key. Okay, in this case there is an issue, so I'll have to reset this key. Go to output, if you have problems streaming from this software with its default Facebook Live server, just choose custom streaming server and go to your Facebook and copy this server URL and paste it here, and as well, and its stream key as well. Okay, and you have it, and paste it here. I have some problem here now, and click apply. Use all indication. Okay, leave it. Click apply, click OK, and see what happens. Start streaming. There shouldn't be any problem, but I don't know what's really going on right now. This is a gaming window, and here you can see this is the one we are streaming, the game capture source, and you can see the same one here as well. Now you can post this on your page or on your profile from here. You can, it's now on a page, so if you want to post your streaming on your profile, you just go to this page. Okay, this page, and you can create a stream from here, and you can either you can actually choose to post this stream to your profile or your particular page. You can choose that one from here. Just click create live and share on your timeline or any page that you manage. Share a page on you manage, and you can choose a page you want to share the stream with, and click next. Then you will get the same window, and you will have a server URL and a stream key, and use that stream key and server URL on your settings page, and go to stream and choose. In this case, sometimes you may have problem with the software's default server URL. In that case, choose both the URL, server URL and stream key, and choose custom streaming server and paste it here accordingly. That's it. Then you can start streaming. Okay, so then you can just go live from here, then click go live. Just give it a unique name so people know that it's a gaming video, right? You can also set some other things, So prohibit embedding like these things, just go basics. And you can also schedule this live and just go live. That's it, you're almost ready to stream your video. Okay, so that's how you actually stream videos to your Facebook or Facebook game room. If it is a game, Facebook will automatically show the gaming video on its Facebook game room. Okay, and you can also share that on your profile, on your page, with your friends, whoever you want. That's it. So that's it, guys. That's how you stream from your PC to your Facebook page or your Facebook profile. Okay, so I hope this helps. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos, tips and tricks like this, and thanks for watching.